If you think you need $1 million SEO budget to show up in ChatGPT, Google AI Overviews, or Perplexity Answers, you've been lied to. Today I'm going to show you exactly how much it actually costs, and why the old SEO playbook is now completely backwards. Let's start with the big myth. For the past decade, everyone believed the same thing. If you want to rank on Google, you need enterprise-level budgets, thousands per month on agencies, link building, content teams, and they weren't entirely wrong. Traditional SEO was an arms race, but here's what changed in the last 18 months. AI search platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, and Claude don't care about your backlink profile. They don't care how much you spent on domain authority. They care about one thing: structured, trustworthy, real-time data that answers what people are actually asking. And that shift just leveled the playing field completely. So what does it actually cost? Let me give you real numbers. Small businesses are appearing in AI Answers with monthly SEO spends under $200. Some are doing it for free. The reason is simple. AI platforms prioritize different signals. They pull from Google Business Profile data, review sentiment, service descriptions, FAQ schema, and local relevance markers. None of those require expensive link campaigns or massive content factories. Here's a case study. A local roofing company in Austin, Texas started showing up in ChatGPT Answers for Best Roofer Near Me and Perplexity results for Emergency Roof Repair Austin within 3 weeks. Their monthly SEO spend? $149. They didn't hire an agency. They didn't buy backlinks. They used an automated AI SEO platform that optimized their Google Business Profile, added structured FAQ schema to their site, and monitored sentiment signals across review platforms. That's it. Now let's talk about the 5 things that actually matter for AI search visibility. Number 1. Your Google Business Profile. This is now the single most important asset for local businesses. AI platforms scrape GBP data constantly. Your hours, services, reviews, photos, posts. If your GBP is incomplete or updated, you're invisible to AI search. Updating it costs $0. Number 2. Review sentiment and volume. Perplexity and ChatGPT analyze review text to determine business quality and relevance. A business with 30 recent 5-star reviews mentioning specific services will outrank a business with 200 old generic reviews. Managing reviews and responding thoughtfully costs time, not money. Number 3. FAQ schema and structured data. AI models love structured answers. If your website has an FAQ section marked up with schema.org vocabulary, AI platforms can pull those answers directly into responses. Adding FAQ schema is a one-time technical task. Most small business owners can do it themselves with plugins or simple code snippets. Cost? $0 to maybe $50 one time if you hire someone on Fiverr. Number 4. Service descriptions and keyword clarity. AI search doesn't do keyword stuffing. It does semantic understanding. If your service pages clearly describe what you do, who you serve, and what problems you solve, using natural language, you're already ahead of 90% of competitors. This is just good copywriting. It doesn't require an SEO expert. Number 5. Local relevance signals. Citations, directory listings, location-specific content. AI platforms cross-reference business information across multiple sources to verify legitimacy. Consistent name, address, and phone number across directories builds trust signals. There are free tools and low-cost services, under $100 per year, that keep your citations clean across 50+ directories. Now here's where the old SEO world gets defensive. They'll tell you backlinks still matter, and technically they're right for traditional Google rankings. But here's the nuance. Backlinks matter less for AI search visibility. Perplexity doesn't rank pages by backlink authority. ChatGPT doesn't check your domain rating. They evaluate content quality, structured data, and real-time sentiment. So if your goal is to appear in AI Answers, which is where the traffic is shifting, then backlinks are a secondary investment, not the primary one. Let's look at the numbers industry-wide. A recent study analyzed 1,000 small businesses across 20 industries. Those appearing in at least one AI search platform answer within 90 days had an average monthly SEO spend of $312. Those not appearing had an average spend of $2,400. The higher spending businesses were still using traditional agency models, content farms, link outreach, keyword research tools they didn't use. The lower spending businesses were using AI-first platforms that automated GBP optimization, schema markup, and review monitoring. The paradigm shift is this. Old SEO was about gaming Google's algorithm. New SEO is about making your business easy for AI models to understand and recommend. That doesn't require a big budget. It requires clarity, consistency, and structured data. So what's the actual minimum viable spend to get results? If you're doing it yourself manually, $0. Just claim and optimize your Google Business Profile. Add FAQ schema to your website. Ask happy customers for reviews. And keep your directory listings consistent. If you want automation and monitoring, platforms like Ninja do all of this for under $150 per month. That includes GBP optimization, schema deployment, review sentiment tracking, and AI citation monitoring. Here's the thing the expensive agencies don't want you to know. Most of what they charge for is legacy tactics that barely move the needle for AI search. Building 50 backlinks per month might inch you up in traditional Google rankings over 6 months. But Perplexity won't care. Spending $2,000 on a content marketing strategy might help with blog traffic. But ChatGPT pulls answers from structured data and trusted sources, not your latest blog post. The new playbook is leaner, faster, and cheaper. Optimize your GBP. Add structured data. Manage your reviews. Keep your citations consistent. Monitor where you appear in AI answers and double down on what works. That entire strategy can be executed for under $200 per month, or free if you're willing to do the manual work. To wrap this up, the myth that you need a massive budget to appear in AI search is not just wrong, it's backwards. The businesses winning in ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews are the ones who understood the shift early. They stopped paying for outdated link schemes and started investing in structured, trustworthy data. If you're a small business owner who's been told you can't compete without enterprise budgets, ignore that. The playing field just flipped in your favor. If you want to see where your business currently shows up in AI search platforms, Ninja offers a free scan. It checks ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, and 12 other AI platforms in about 90 seconds. No credit card, no commitment. Link is in the description. Let's get you found where your customers are actually searching.